Hi guys, this is Adil here. So in my recent trip to Himachal, I happened to visit this very small operated kitchen in the locality which was serving this amazingly delicious chickpea curry. And it was made by a local granny over there, and trust me, the flavors were so beautiful that I happened to request that lady to teach me the recipe. And today here I am with this amazing recipe. So let's learn how to make Himachali Chana Madra. So first things first, let's make the rice flour slurry, for which I'll need some rice flour, and very little of water. Mix it well. So this is done. Now comes the most crucial part, and that's the Garam Masala for the recipe. If you get this right, you have the recipe sorted. For which I am using some Black Cardamon, some whole peppercorns, and some cloves. That's about it. Now I'll grind them into a coarse powder. Amazing. So this garam masala is ready. I've kept it coarse, like how I learned from her. So let's keep this aside and start with the cooking. Flame on. I'm using the mustard oil, all of it at once. And I'll allow it to smoke so that the pungent flavor of the oil goes away. So as you can see, the oil is nice and hot. It's smoking literally. Now is the time to switch off the flame and allow it to cool down a bit, otherwise my spices will start burning. So the oil is now cooled down and usable. I'll switch on the flame again. First goes in the hing. Followed by some cumin seeds, and some cinnamon. Nice. So once the cumin splutters, we'll add in the chopped onions, and fry them till they are translucent. I will not brown the onions over here because it will hinder with the color of my final dish. So as you see, the onions are cooked. It's time to add the spices. A little bit of red chilli powder, because the final product is yellow in color. A little more of turmeric. And a lot of coriander powder. Mix everything well. Make sure at this stage the spices don't burn. If you feel like the spices are burning, you can add a tablespoon of water to it. So once everything is mixed well, I'll lower the flame. So a lot of curd, because it is a curd based gravy. I'll add a lot of it. Mix everything really well. And now you can increase the flame. The curd mixture is nice and hot now. And now is the time to add the rice slurry. And mix, mix, mix. At this stage, you would want to keep stirring, otherwise the rice will form lumps. So the gravy is nice and bubbling now. I'll add a little bit of water. That's it. And give it a good mix. Time to add the salt. This amazing curry is ready. Time to add the boiled chickpeas. Lovely. A gentle mix. So the curry is almost ready. Now just to give the final touch to it, I'll add a very little bit of Garam Masala. Superb. A quick mix. And after the Garam Masala, it's time for the special Garam Masala. That is this. A generous sprinkle. Wow. And here we have the most delicious chickpea curry in front of us. Let's plate it. So the plating is quite simple for this simple dish. And to garnish it, I'll put a dollop of ghee and some chopped coriander. Looking at this dish, I'm just getting nostalgic about my Himachal trip. I am going to enjoy this with my friends. You do try this recipe at home and let me know.